Hi, I'm Steve Yee, Director of Product Management for SQL Azure. This walkthrough will show you how to quickly get started setting up your Windows Azure Platform account and create your first SQL Azure database. There are three main steps for creating your first database. First, visit the Windows Azure Platform website, visit the Offers page, and evaluate the different options and select an offer. Next, you'll visit the Customer portal to record your contact information. And the third and final step takes you to the Windows Azure Platform Developer portal, creating the SQL Azure Administrator account, and manage the settings for your databases. Let's walk through this entire process by signing up for the Windows Azure Platform Introductory Offer, a promotional offer that provides a base level of compute hours, storage, app fabric, and a SQL Azure database at no charge. We encourage you to visit the SQLazure.com website to see the different and latest offers from Microsoft. Let's go ahead and select the introductory special, and we'll click on the Buy link. Before we can go any further, we need a Windows Live ID, so if you don't have one right now, go ahead and sign up. I'm going to sign up with one of my existing accounts, and this takes us to the Microsoft Online Services Customer portal, where we'll enter our contact information. And after I have entered contact information, I need to enter my company information as well. Review the agreement information about the offers for Microsoft Online Services. Then, click Next to process your information. After we've entered our contact and company information, we arrive at the shopping cart page, where we see the Windows Azure Platform Introductory Special. Enter a subscription name and go ahead and click on the Customer Acknowledgement checkbox. Click Next to continue with your purchase. Now, although there is no charge for the Introductory Special offer, credit card information is needed in case you utilize additional resources beyond what the offer covers or to continue using the service for a longer period of time. Go ahead and enter your credit card information and select Next. After credit card information is submitted, an online subscription agreement and terms and conditions page will open. Read through the terms and conditions and view the privacy statement to see how your data will be handled. Check the box to indicate you have read and understood the above agreement and select Purchase to confirm your order. Note your confirmation number and follow the directions to add MS Online Services Team at MicrosoftOnline.com to your Safe Senders list in order to avoid emails being discarded. Click Proceed to activation to begin using your new subscription. Now we need to enter Service Administrator information. The Service Administrator is the person who manages the Windows Azure Platform subscription. I'm going to use all the default information from when I entered my contact info, and I'll click Next. Now we're on the summary page that is information verifying who the account owner is, the service administrator, and also the service provisioning information. And here we are on the confirmation page. A follow-up email will be sent to the live ID that we entered when we opened this account. Check your email inbox and you should receive a confirmation email confirming that your Windows Azure Platform account is set up and ready to go. Now we're ready to access our account. Sign into the Windows Azure Developer portal by clicking the link on the right. You'll be taken to the Developer portal. At this point, we need to create a server which will house our SQL Azure database. From the Server ribbon, click on the Create button. I'll select North Central US and click Next. Then I'll add a server admin name and password. We'll also need to add a firewall rule so that we can access the server. I'll type the rule name and the range of IP addresses that can access this database. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my current IP address. With the server live on the portal, I can select the server and select to create a database on the server. Now we'll create a database in a few quick clicks. We'll click the subscription, then the server we just provisioned. With the server selected, we can now create a database. Let's go ahead and call this First DB, and we're going to specify that this is a web edition database with a maximum size of 1 GB based on the introductory offer. Now we have our first database live in SQL Azure. Before we conclude this walkthrough, let's test the connection to the new database. Once I type the password and click Connect, the test will begin. We have connected successfully. Click Close, and we have successfully set up our first database. And to review the 3 steps that we followed to get to this point, first, we evaluated and selected an offer from the Windows Azure Platform Offers pages, and then we went to the Online Services Customer Portal to provide our customer and contact information. Thirdly, we went to the Developer Portal to set up the first database, the administrator account, and also set the firewall settings. In subsequent walkthroughs, we'll explore how to administer and query SQL Azure databases through tools and code, and also illustrate how to integrate other Windows Azure services to create cloud-enabled applications.